Here are 10 mistakes that kill YouTube channels every single day. You've been putting in the work, filming, editing, posting, even praying, but your channel still isn't growing. You keep checking your views, and it feels like nothing's moving. It's frustrating, I get it. But the truth is, sometimes it's not YouTube's fault. It's the little mistakes we make over and over without even realizing it. And those small things, they can quietly destroy your channel. So let's break it down. Here are 10 mistakes that kill YouTube channels every single day. First, not having a clear direction. You're posting all kinds of videos. Comedy today, cooking tomorrow, tech next week. YouTube gets confused. Viewers too. When people don't know what your channel is about, they don't stick around. Find your lane and stay consistent. Next, using long intros. People online have zero patience. If your first 10 seconds don't catch attention, they're gone. Start with something interesting, a question, a quick scene, or a bold statement. Save, "Hi guys, welcome back," for later. Another mistake is using weak titles and thumbnails. You can have the best video in the world, but if nobody clicks, it means nothing. Your title and thumbnail are your first impression. They should make people want to click instantly. Be clear, be bold, and make it stand out. Also, posting for yourself, not for your audience. A lot of creators post what they like, not what people are actually searching for. YouTube promotes videos that give viewers value, entertainment, education, or emotion. So before you upload, ask yourself, why would someone watch this? Don't forget consistency. You can't post today, disappear for 2 weeks, and expect growth. YouTube favors creators who show up often. Even one good video a week is better than 5 random ones in a month. Losing viewers too early is another critical error. If people stop watching your video after 20 seconds, YouTube stops recommending it. So you have to keep them hooked from start to finish. Cut out boring parts. Keep it flowing. Tell stories that make people stay till the end. Ignoring your analytics is like driving blind. Your analytics are like free coaching from YouTube. They tell you what's working, what's failing, and what people love most. If you never check it, you're basically driving blind. Copying other creators too much can also hinder your growth. It's fine to get inspired, but don't lose your voice. People subscribe to you because of your style, your story, your energy. If you sound like everyone else, they'll move on to the original. Chasing every trend is another common pitfall. One day you're doing prank videos, next day you're teaching business, all because it's trending. Trends can give you quick views, but they don't build loyal followers. Blend trends into your niche. Don't let them control your channel. Finally, giving up too soon. This one hurts the most. Most creators quit just when they were close to breaking through. YouTube is slow at first. It's testing you, learning your audience. Every upload teaches the algorithm something new about you. So don't stop now. You're closer than you think. So keep going. Your time is coming, as long as you don't quit before it does. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.